Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most widely used learning platforms in education, Blackboard LMS by Anthology. Whether you're a student trying to submit your first assignment or a teacher setting up your course for the semester, this video will walk you through everything you need to get started. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you should do, visit the official website, which is going to be anthology.com. There's going to be an option here to create your first account, wherein you can enjoy a 30-day free trial of Blackboard. No commitment, no credit card. All you have to do is hover down below, provide all the information needed, and click the sign up button. What will happen is you should be able to receive a welcome message such as this one, and you will get to have all these. And then you will then be forwarded to the main page wherein you can click the show me later or get started. I'm gonna click the show me later because this is the perfect opportunity for us to explore and get familiarized ourselves with the Blackboard by Anthology. Now, the institution page is going to be like the welcome dashboard, wherein it gives you the overview of the Blackboard, right? And then the activity is where your dashboard of what's new and urgent. You have, for example, creating accessible courses, exemplary online course design, how to ultra, and a lot more. All right, so you have all of these recent announcements, new content added by instructors, or any upcoming assignments or due dates. Now, it's the first place to check in when you log in because it helps you stay on top of deadlines and updates. Now, the next is going to be the courses. This is your virtual classroom hub. Okay. Now, you see, you can create a new course here if you wanted. All right. And you can click into the course open materials. For example, this is going to be a template, like a syllabus. If you click this, you have the content, calendar, announcement, of course, discussions, gradebook, messages, groups, and achievements. Now, for the messages, if you wanted to create a message, click the new message here, enter a course of member. For example, all Blackboard instructors. Type in our first message here. And then you see that you can, if you want to press Alt plus F10 to access toolbars, you can do that. You can also add an image. Let's do that. But if you do, you make sure you drag the files or click the upload file. Click the next button. So we have provided our first message here. That's going to be our image. We can drag it here and then click the send button. All right. So that's for all the Blackboard instructors. All right, so you have the discussions, announcements if you want. You see there's going to be an open section here. All right, now students, meaning the open is that students can access this course without any problem. It's not like it doesn't require any logins or password. And then we're going to click the X. So after doing so, you have all of the courses, terms, and you can also search the course. Now for the view, you have all these. Next is going to be the calendar. Now, the calendar is your academic planner. You have all the due dates for assignments, scheduled classes or events, or the instructor created deadlines. Now, this calendar section will help you visually manage your time and stay organized across multiple courses. Now, it will help you visually manage your time. Again, for this, you have the due dates right here. There's going to be a cog icon settings here if you want to fix the settings. And there's going to be the plus button wherein you can add an event. All right, so you can add it to your personal calendar and your details. Top. Now, the description is going to be how to use Blackboard LMS by Anthology. All right, so let's click this and click on save. So we have now successfully created our first event here in the calendar. That's that. Now the next is going to be the messages, wherein it's a private inbox system within the Blackboard. You can find all messages between you and your instructors or classmates. You have the course specific communication. It can keep everything academic related in one place, separate from your personal email. So you have all these, all right? If you want to create a new message, you can do that as well. Now, the grade section is where you can find the report card view. You can have your scores and feedbacks for assignments, quizzes, and tests. Now, you can have an overall view of the course progress. For example, for the assignment, right here, click this, post all grades. All right. Now, within this section, you can monitor how you're doing and find areas to improve. Right? You can view your content page here by clicking this button. You will be forwarded here. You can do a lot. Next. You can add now your own content. How? By simply clicking the create button. It's very easy. You can choose from the course content items. Is it going to be a learning module, a document, or a link? So we're going to choose the learning module. You can type the description. Is it going to be hidden from students or visible to all students? It's up to you. Now, you can add an image. Similar to what we've done earlier, you can drag your files or upload a file here. And then click the next button. Click the save. So we have created our first learning module here. Right? So it's, again, you have the calendar. We have been here earlier. Gonna click this. Now the next is gonna be the assist. It's a section for best practices in education, the best online and campus resources to help you succeed in school life. You have all these. Blackboard integration catalog. If you click this, you will be forwarded to a new page. It's kind of like a... You see, these are some of the collection of integrations for the Anthology portfolio, including Blackboard LMS. All right? So basically, there's a lot. It's up to you and how you can manage to work on it. Studiosity, Revisely. Basically, there's a lot. If you're also already using all of these, it's going to be a lot easier to integrate. Right? So it doesn't require a learning curve. So I'm going to go back again to the home page. We're going to go here to the tools section. The tools section is a collection of extra features and services. All right. You have the gold performance, TDM certificate authenticity tool, TDM, Blackboard app catalog, application authorization, my reports. So for example, we go to the gold performance. You're going to have all these. You can have course evaluation links. All right. So we're going to click this. You have the TDM certificate authenticity tool. So we're not going to dive deep into this because essentially the idea is that these section houses anything beyond the basic course content, which is great for enhancing learning and collaboration. All right. So you have all these. Now, remember that for the Anthology is offering a 30-day free trial. Right? So the good thing about it is that it's an online platform that could help you as school, universities, and training institutions manage and deliver educational content. It's like a virtual classroom where students and instructors can interact, access course and materials, submit assignment, and of course track academic progress all in line. After the 30 days free trial, you simply have to contact the support section here if you wanted to upgrade to this subscription plan. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.